Hello everyone, this is Paul from Hifimax. This digital cluster is for Mercedes C class GLC for the car with NTG 5.0. This is the frame here, like this. Just like this. Okay. And this is the screen here. On the back, there's only a connector here. So the installation is quite easy. Just transfer the cables, then will be fine. And here there's a USB cable. It mainly used for software upgrade. Okay, and it have a label CarPlay. Please notice, for now, it don't have CarPlay inside. Okay, but in the future, we may consider to add the CarPlay to this unit. That way, you will have the CarPlay from here. Okay, but this is the future product. For now, it don't have these functions. And here, on the side, there's a HDMI connector inside here. This is the HDMI adapter and the cables. Please notice, this is optional. That is extra cost. How to use the HDMI? Some friends have the Android screen from our company. In that case, we can connect the Android screen by the HDMI and show the CarPlay video navigation from the Android screen to show it in the digital cluster here. So, how to connect the HDMI cable? Now let me show you. The HDMI cable, you can see the two sides are the same. One side connect to here. This adapter is convert the signal from USB to HDMI. Okay. The other side of the HDMI connect to the back of the digital cluster. Now let me show you how to connect it. Just like this. Okay, it have connect, right? And this side, the USB connector, connect to the Android screen's USB. Okay, the Android screen have two USB. Any USB are okay to connect it. And in the Android screen, it have an app. You just click the apps, and then it will share the contents from the Android screen to this digital cluster. Okay. Here is the installation menu. You can also watch the installation video from our YouTube channel. There's two screws here.
I wanna rock you, baby. I wanna rock your body. I wanna rock you, baby. I wanna rock your body. I wanna rock you, baby.
Okay, thank you very much.